Mishap, a minor accident or mistake. Example 1. Sarah had a mishap at the party and spilled her drink on her dress. Example 2. There was a small mishap during the presentation, but everything was fixed quickly. Agony, extreme pain or suffering. Example 1. John was in agony after breaking his leg during the soccer match. Example 2. The agony of waiting for the results was too much for her to handle. Slumber, deep sleep. Example 1. The baby finally fell into a peaceful slumber after crying for hours. Example 2. After a long day of work, he enjoyed a deep slumber. Breeze, a light wind. Example 1. The cool breeze felt refreshing after the hot afternoon sun. Example 2. We enjoyed a gentle breeze as we walked along the beach. Offspring, a child or young animal. Example 1. The lioness was protective of her offspring. Example 2. She was proud of her offspring's achievements in school. Hue, a color or shade of a color. Example 1. The sky was painted with a beautiful hue of orange during sunset. Example 2. She chose a soft hue of blue for the bedroom walls. Sentence, a group of words that form a complete thought. Example 1. The teacher asked the students to write a sentence using the word mishap. Example 2. She couldn't finish her sentence because she was interrupted. Companion, a person or animal who accompanies someone. Example 1. The dog was her constant companion, following her everywhere. Example 2. He considered his best friend his closest companion during difficult times. Foe, an enemy or opponent. Example 1. The knight prepared for battle against his greatest foe. Example 2. In the game, he defeated his foe with a final, powerful move. Wage, to carry out or conduct a battle or conflict, or to earn money for work. Example 1. The army waged war to protect their country. Example 2. She worked hard to earn a fair wage for her efforts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.